All right, we're going to talk about fractions of number lines. We're going to talk about the unit fractions, the segments, or the pieces, okay? And I think we might even want to write that here. Okay, segments, pieces, parts, okay? So if you remember, we talked about what fraction of the circle is shaded, right? So here it was 1/3. And even if we looked at it without being colored, each piece is one part of the whole, right? This is one part, this is one part, this is one part, and there's 3 total parts. So this is a third, this is a third, this is a third, right? So 1/3 is shaded, and it doesn't matter how I turn the circle, one part is still shaded, right? So if I look at it on a number line, remember we talked about counting the pieces before we put the fraction somewhere on the number line, right? So we said 1, 2, 3. So then we knew that this number line was divided into thirds. So it had 3 parts to it, 3 segments. So this was a third, this was a third, and this was a third, okay? So, and here it's different. Let's look at this again, okay? So here's my number line, 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. This is 1/3, this is a third, this is a third, and that makes it the whole, right? So here's the third in the middle, here's the third. Okay, it doesn't matter where we piece. This is 1 part of 3. This is 1 part of 3. This is 1 part of 3. Okay? What we did a couple days ago was we identified the actual fractions on the number line. So what we did was we said 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 pieces. Okay, so we knew the denominator was 4. And then we actually took the line and we said what the fraction name was. We identified the fraction. So here we said, oh, this was 1/4, because this would be 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, okay? So the number line, okay, I can even say, so 2/4, 3/4 goes on here, and then 4/4 would be here. And these two have nothing to do with it other than to see if you know what's going on, right? Here we're identifying the fraction on the line. Here, we're just looking at the parts to the whole, and we're saying, okay, 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay, so this is 1 part of 3, this is 1 part of 3, and this is 1 part of 3. We're not identifying the fraction on the number line at this point. We're just saying this is a third, this is a third, this is a third. And it doesn't matter which part we look at it, okay? All right, let's see if this starts to make any sense here. Okay, so if I said to you, which number line shows the color segment half, okay? Is it number line A or is it number line B? Okay, so I'm not asking you to identify and place where the fraction would be. I'm saying which number line shows half colored, or a segment, a part, a piece of the number line that's a half. Okay, so what are you thinking, A or B? Okay, so if you said A, you are correct. I'm going to highlight A. Okay, because here we have this number line, 1, 2 pieces, right? 1 piece is colored in out of the 2. So this does represent half. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So here, this section, right, this would be 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So only 1/4 is colored in. Okay, so again, it's kind of like when we pop up here, 1/3 is colored in, 1/3 is colored in, 1/3 is colored in. Doesn't matter where it's the third is colored in. right? 1/3 of this number line is colored in, 1/3 of this number line is colored in, 1/3 of this line is colored in. So that's what we're doing here. We're looking at, half is colored. Okay, skipped one here. All right, which number line shows the color segment of half? Okay, so have an A or B in your head, and again, it would be A. Okay, notice this 1, 2. Half of it is colored in, right? This has 4 sections. So on the next one, right, the other half was colored in. So it doesn't matter which segment, which piece, which part is colored in. They're not asking that. They're just saying which is showing that. All right, let's look again. All right, so we have choice A or B. Which number line shows the color segment of 1/8? Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This number line has 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 5 pieces. So let's look at A. Okay, yes, 1 piece is colored in of the 8. Okay, so it is, I can't highlight that A, but it is A. Okay. Would it matter if this piece was colored in? So let me see. Nope, we'll get to that. All right. All right, let's look here. Which number line shows the color segment of 1/8? So again, we want to see which piece, right? Which piece segment? That's our word here. We can underline that word. We can bold that word. Segment means which part. Which part is colored? Which colored part shows 1/8? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1 piece is colored out of 8. Yes. A is definitely 1. Okay. Let's continue to look because sometimes there's more than one choice. How about this one? 1, 2. Okay, so this is 2 pieces, so that would be halves. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces and 1 is colored in. So, yep, A and C both represent 1/8 being colored in. Okay. Let's look at this one. Which number line shows a colored segment of 1/4? Okay. A or B. So have something in your mind, right? Because you're being an active thinker, an active learner. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. This has 4 pieces, but this is 1 piece, this is 1 piece, this is 1 piece. That's 3 pieces colored in. So that's not 1/4. Let's see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one has 4 pieces. And oh look, 1 piece, 1 segment is colored in. So 1/4, B would be your choice. Okay. Let's look at 47. All right. Which number line shows a colored segment of 1/5? Okay. And there could be more than one answer. Okay. So A, B, or C, and again, there could be more than one answer. So the first thing we got to see is which number lines are broken up into 5 parts, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's broken up into 5 parts. This one has 1 piece colored. So this is 1 segment. So A is a choice. Okay, let's keep checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 5 pieces. Okay, this one has 1 colored in, so 1/5 of this number line is colored in. So this one also represents 1/5. And how about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, this is 1/8, right? 1/8 of this number line is colored in. All right, so here we go. A and B both represent 1/5 segment being colored, right? Okay. All right, which ones show 1/3? So take a minute, write down your answer. This is slide 48. So do you think A, B, or C, or maybe a few of them? Could be A, B, B, C, A, B, and C. You let me know. Okay. So first thing we want to do is count our spaces. So 1, 2, 3. This has 3 spaces. 1 is colored in. So that works. How about B? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. 1/4 is colored in. That's not 1/3. Okay, and how about this? 1, 2, 3. So 3 sections. 1 is colored in. So A and C are your choices. Okay, so again, A and C are both split up into 3 pieces, and it didn't matter which piece because this is a third, this is a third, and this is a third. Okay. How about slide 49? Which one shows 1/6? So A, B, or C, or you might have a couple of choices on there. All right, let's check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has 6 pieces. 1 is colored in. So A works. How about B? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. How about C? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 piece colored in? Yes. So this one was A and C. And let's try the last one. Which number line shows the color segment of 1/6? So you can have your number slide 50, A, B, or C, or maybe there's multiple. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1's colored in. Yes. This one is 1/6 of the segment is colored in. All right, so we'll stop here and we'll discuss any questions, anything we noticed. Okay, see you in a second.